So if you are in the market for a really nice looking modern bar stool, you need to check out this set. Now the brand did send them to me, so I want to thank them. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about a backless bar stool, but I actually really like them. Not only do they look great in this area, they're really comfortable and super durable. So let me show you some details that make these different than other bar stools. This is more like a hunter green. I'm going to kind of bring it up close so you can see it. It's got a little bit of like a swirly look within the faux leather here, but you can see, look how nice and thick those seats are. So those are really, really cushiony. I absolutely love the button detail with the seams here. This is a 26-inch bar stool, so it fits my kitchen island just perfect. Make sure you measure to get your correct size. Here's where that sturdy construction is. This is like a black wrought iron, super strong. Since it is this X frame, it makes it more durable. Here is the footrest. I think this is at a great height. It is very strong. This will be super easy to keep clean since it is a faux leather. You can just wipe it off with a rag. Love the extra detail that this company put into their actual seats. And again, nice and thick cushion. Should really hold up over time. And as you can see, this is a nice clean look. These fit perfectly underneath my island here. I definitely recommend these. They're really nice quality. I think they look beautiful. They feel very secure when you sit on them. So if you are in the market, definitely do not hesitate on these. I want to thank the brand for sending these to me. I absolutely love them.